Morning.
Morning.
My name is Prashant Muniraju. I work for Hitachi Digital Services. This is my first time at the OSD Forum, so I'm learning a lot based on being here up on the stage. What I wanted to talk about today was the product that we have called Express Freight EDI, which is available in the marketplace. How we are taking this product and really building enterprise features to make it ready for the small business operators, the large business operators, and really enable this product to have an AI discovery that pretty much everybody is talking about today. So for the first half of the year, the product that we've been building is really to be able to take any workload that you have, take the OSD product itself, and make it available on the AWS marketplace. It's a hard product to put on AWS. It's even a hard product to kind of run it in your own ecosystem. What we're really trying to do is to get the entire product and the ecosystem available for all the operators who can avoid managing it themselves, with the pay-as-you-go model. Now, with the product ready, we've been talking to customers to understand what is it that they want next, right? The next year, I've been listening to a lot of upgrades that's coming up through the OSQ, and this year we've had many. What we've really built is an automated in-place upgrade where you can go from an M22 to M23 or an M23 to M24 at a click of a button. We handle all the underlying infrastructure, underlying upgrades in the product so that your IT groups can move from one milestone upgrade to the next. We're also enabling the private networking option in the product, essentially taking the OSD product and making it in such a way that you can fulfill the most stringent requirements from a security and a network standpoint. So this is going to be available pretty shortly. You will be able to take the platform, run it on a fully private network on Amazon, and you're able to use it. And last but not the least, we want to give out-of-the-box capabilities for the enterprises to be able to bring their own ID. Right? You have enterprise systems with Azure, you have Ping Identity. But with the product, you need to be able to use it seamlessly as you start to think about, hey, I go from one application to the other. You go from a Schlumberger or a Halliburton application into the OSD platform through the Express Freight EDI will enable that for you. And it seems like no conversation is complete without talking about AI today. And what we have been building is what we call as the Workflow Innovation Services for Energy, or WISE. It's the product or the platform, if you think about it, is to enable discrete agents essentially be able to be built as part of workflows. I forget the gentleman, but they showed us 7 different personas that exist in the OSD ecosystem, right from a CEO to a data engineer to an IT engineer. Now, it's really more about how do you use the AI in the context of a particular persona. What really makes sense for them? Because there's so much that you can do with it. At the end of the day, you have to ask questions that is more important for your job to say what is the insights that you want to get out of it. We have a big demo that we can share. I just now realized that's probably the longest transition in the last 4 days. Essentially, this is a WISE AI agent. It is a discovery agent. And we've curated questions from customers to say, hey, what do you want to ask? The way it is really built is it's built on top of the OSD platform. And it has the entire context about your schema. It knows what are your data definitions. It can traverse through your data sets to go to, say, get information from your last file, and the possibilities are endless, right? The idea here is really to be able to showcase that, hey, in an integrated product, you're able to now go to the marketplace, subscribe the product, get it in your ecosystem, whether you want to bring your own accounts or we can provision that for you, and have an exploratory AI solution built into the product natively. The idea of AI is to be able to democratize this information, to be able to share this information with everybody. Will every persona in the industry we use this product? Probably not. But we are enabling access to the OSDU data that you can take this OSDU information or the knowledge base into a developer IDE through MCP servers. I was talking to a few folks, and one of the key use cases that got my attention was, hey, I have just migrated 1,000 wells into OSDU. How do I know whether it is correctly migrated or not? I mean, you can go back to your hundreds of pipeline ETL workflows, but you can use this tool or you can use this capability to get your initial data sanity check done and understand that, okay, now I can ensure that I have the data that is ready and prepped for the next set of applications that they want to use. And this is sort of trying to summarize the way we think about this product in terms of the capability it provides, in terms of the value that it unlocks as you start to thinking about not only just OSDU, but for the entire industry. We think about going from a system of record to a system of engagement. And engagement is where you would interact with the product, with the ecosystem itself, and eventually a system of intelligence, right? And that's the holy grail, that's where we all want to get to, but it's going to take time. And that's the direction that we're trying to move in terms of the product on our end. We have demos running in our booth. It is strategically located right next to a coffee machine. So as soon as you guys are getting out of this and grab coffee, please look at our demos at the booth. Thank you very much.